kuma videos wami I mentioned inkinga enginayo, inkinga ngokocansi. When I mentioned that ngifuna ukunikeza ihope lo mhlawumbe ocabanga ukuyenza lento engiyenzayo, ukuzi-expose, yokutshela abantu ukuthi into ewukuthi nakanje nakanje nakanje. So I've discovered ukuthi the more I expose myself ukuthi nginenkinga yocansi engawuqala ngina 10 years, I have discovered ukuthi even nalawa amaphupho, sometimes I would dream ngilala nomuntu engingamazi, noma ngilala nabantu engingabazi, noma ngilala no specific person engimaziyo. I have realized ukuthi lezi zinto sezastopper, but now it has twisted to kube umuntu owesifazana ke manje. So the reason why I'm exposing this again, I want it also to stop. So kunamandla ekuthini ngi-expose, kunamandla ekuthini ngisho ukuthi what kind of a person, and nama ngisho futhi nanokuthi kwamanye ama-video ngicacela ukuthi ngilo muntu oprethendayo, ngilo muntu ongayivezi ukuthi yena ungumuntu onjani. Iba ngcono leyo nto. So those videos, I'm not wasting my time, and those videos especially kuloyo ofuna naye ukuthi impilo yakhe ishintshe, impilo yakhe ibe ngcono, ingabi yilo indlela eyiyona, because lezi zinto esazenza azisikhululi, lezi zinto engazenza azingikhululi. And then the other thing that I want to share with you ukuthi ngishilo ukuthi this one, but I didn't mention here on a video, ngibhale nje phansi. When I wrote it, I said indaba yempumelelo, I have realized ukuthi in order ukuthi uphumelele kune principle ofuneka uyilandele. That principle ithi mele uvume, you have to acknowledge ukuthi okwenzile. You have to acknowledge ukuthi urongo, ma urongo, mukhonjwa nokuthi urongo. So leyo ke iyangihlupha, inkinga kakhulu empilweni yami, ngoba njalo mangikhonjwa ukuthi ngenzile engikwenzile, angivumi futhi ngiyakwata, ngivesana ngifike umoya wokwata, futhi lokhu kukwata engasho ngithi ku demonic. Ngiba ne-anger, angifundi nje nokuyibheka ukuthi yimina lokho okwenzile, lokho akwenzile. So ngihlushwa yilokho ke manje. So namhlanje ngithe angixoxele. Wednesday umngane wami wayengitshelile ukuthi imoto yakhe inenkinga ye-battery. So njalo after an hour you have to start it, makuwukuthi mhlawumbe sihlele emotweni or something. So bengisemotweni yakhe ke, and then kwadlula kwaya ngale kwe-hour, because futhi nginenkinga yokukhohlwa, kwayadlula kwaya ngale kwe-hour. So after an hour I forgot to start the car because imoto inenkinga ye-battery. Thema sengikhohliwe wangibuza ke ukuthi did you start the car? Ngithe mangizama ukuthi ngichaze, ngaphakathi kwami kunalento engavumi ukuthi ngirong, ngifuna ukuba right. Ngihluleka nje nokuthi ngiyisho into ukuthi cha, I didn't start the car after an hour, I forgot. Ahluleka ukusho nje lokho. Since Wednesday even until namhlanje, today it's Tuesday 24 September 2024, lento ngiyenze ngithini Wednesday bekuyingaki Wednesday konje, okay, roughly mhlambe sithi 17 or 16 ne or 18 September. Since from that day angikho right ngaphakathi kwami lokuthi angivumanga ukuthi yes I didn't start the car. Since from that day I'm not well. So lenkinga engihluphayo ngiyahluleka ukuvuma ukuthi ngirong, inzima, ngiyakwata, kuvele kungikwatise nje ukuthi kanti why ngikhohliwe, angizixolele. and lento painful futhi kumina ukuthi lento ngoba ngiyayisho manje ne kusasa ngenze iphutha ngingakhohlwa ngikhumbule ukuthi sengenze iphutha. What I have to do is to admit, and then mhlambe after a week I go back to the situation engingivezela yona manje. So nginenkinga, angikho consistent futhi ukuthi okay, keep the good thing, keep it with you, and iyagcina lento isiba inkinga kakhulu because izolo benginomngane wami Monday. Sometimes angisafuni nje ukudalula exactly, but it's not a friend. Ngizosho ngithi friend, but it's not a friend. Izolo ngithole nje sengisola nje yonke into nje empilweni yami, sengiqala ukusola ukuthi kube ngiyasebenza, kube kunje, kube ngiyenza kanje na kanje, and forgetting ukuthi futhi I have a weakness endabeni yemali. I have a weakness endabeni yemali, and ngifuna nje ukuthi ngidalule nje yonke into bafowethu, yonke into nje engihluphayo, because le endabeni yocansi ngoba nginichazela ukuthi iba ngcono, angisamani ngiphuphe mina nginomuntu engingamazi emaphushweni wami, umuntu wesilisa or abantu besilisa bezolala nami, ingisize kakhulu. So nale ngifuna ihambe, so ngithi angitshele wonke umuntu ukuthi nginenkinga ye-anger, nginenkinga, angikwazi nje ukucontrol ulaka, angikwazi nje control, ngikwata isikhathi eside, and mase ngikwata isikhathi eside sengiqala ukusola yonke into ukuthi usibani akanikeza imali, kwenzeka kanje, even if leyo mali mangiyithola, because nginenkinga futhi ye-financial management. Mengiyithola imali futhi I mismanage money, so ngifuna ukudalula yonke into engasayithandi empilweni yami ukuthi iqhubeke yenze, ngoba angikuthandi lokukwata, ngoba angikuthandi ukuhluleka ukumanage ama-finances wami, ngoba angikuthandi ukuhluleka ukulawula nje ngempilo yami. So lokho ngifuna nje konke lokho ukuthi kuphele ngci empilweni yami. Ngiyabonga ukumamela lokho engihlezi ngikuveza. Ngiyabonga bafethu.